Tiger Wood. And they're off. Early lead is taken by entry number 1, and that is 9 Dragon. Moving up on the outside, Market Value and Si Senor. And as they leave the straight, it's 9 Dragon, Si Senor, Market Value on the outside, Redemption, Tiger Wood, Action Sailor, and Chief of Staff. Heading for the back stretch, it's still entry number 1, 9 Dragon, followed by Si Senor, and Market Value moving up on the outside to take second. Redemption running in fourth by 3.5 lengths, Tiger Wood, Chief of Staff, and Action Sailor. And at the mid-back stretch, it's 9 Dragon by a length and a half, followed by Market Value on the outside in second, Si Senor by the rail in third, Redemption, Tiger Wood, Chief of Staff, Action Sailor. Nearing the far turn, it's still 9 Dragon by a length and a half, followed by Si Senor, and Market Value on the outside in third, Redemption, Tiger Wood, Chief of Staff, and Action Sailor. And at the far turn, 9 Dragon moving up on the outside, Si Senor, and on the farther outside is Market Value. It is now Si Senor in the lead, followed by Market Value on the outside, and 9 Dragon running in third, Redemption, Tiger Wood, Chief of Staff, and Action Sailor. And into the home stretch, Si Senor by the rail, and Market Value on the outside. It's Si Senor by the rail, Market Value on the outside, Redemption on the farther outside, 9 Dragon by the rail. And into the home stretch and nearing the pair plan is still Si Senor, followed by Market Value on the outside, Redemption on the farther outside, Chief of Staff, and Tiger Wood. And finally at the pair line, it's Si Senor, Redemption, and close between Chief of Staff, Action Sailor, Market Value, Tiger Wood, and
winning the Smart Communication Maro Swift 16 trophy race ridden by Mark Alvarez. Sinundan lang yung nangungunang si 9 Dragon and went on to win this race by about 5 or 6 lengths. Kasama natin sa awarding from the Maro Director Cons Macasi III, and together with Miss Samantha Di Malanta and Miss Catherine Bautista. And to receive the award on behalf of Mr. Ruben Di Macua, please welcome Renato Sanchez to receive the award for Mr. Ruben Di Macua. That one being trained by the brother of Ponga, si Pedro Sanchez Jr. Mark Alvarez was the rider. All right, so congratulations once again to Mr. Ruben Di Macua, Pedro Sanchez Jr., and rider Mark Alvarez winning the Smart Communication Trophy race. Up ahead is the PCSO Maro Cup 3-year-old filly mile.